Our next problem is to determine the pOH of each solution and classify it as acidic, basic, or neutral. So it gives us the hydroxide ion concentration. So from there, we can determine the pOH because the pOH is equal to the negative log of our hydroxide ion concentration. So pOH equals the negative log of 1.5 times 10 to the negative 9th. When we plug this into our calculator, we get 8.8. Now, remember, always times it by -1 at the very end. Do not put the negative sign first. So the pOH is 8.8. So in this case, since the pOH is 8.8, we can then determine what the pH will be. And then from there, we can decide if it's going to be an acid, a base, or neutral. So remember, pH plus pOH equals 14. So we would do, so pH is equal to 14 minus 8.8, which comes up with a pH of 5.2. So since the pH is less than 7, this is an acid. Or it's an acidic. There we go. Our next one gives us a concentration of 7.0 times 10 to the negative 5th. So we're going to do the same steps. So pOH equals the negative log of 7.0 times 10 to the negative 5th. When we plug this into our calculator, we get 4.2. And then from there, we need to determine the pH. So pH is equal to 14 minus our 4.2. So when we plug this into our calculator, we get a pH of 9.8. So since pH is greater than 7, this is basic.